Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's PTG on the mic. Today we are talking about guitar tabs. What are guitar tabs and what are guitar tabs used for? So first things first, a guitar tab or a guitar tablature is a representation of notes. And a standard guitar tab consists of 6 horizontal lines, each line representing the string on the guitar. So if there's 5 lines, it will be a 5-string bass guitar. If it's 6 lines, then it's 6-string guitar. A guitar tab is easy to use. So we're gonna use this bass guitar to demonstrate. It's a 5-string bass guitar. So let's say on our guitar tab, on the high string, starting from the high coming to the lower string. From the high string, if it's 0, then you know you're playing the open string. If it's on 0, you are playing an open string. If it's 3 on the second string, then you come on the second string, you count 1, 2. If it's on the second string, you count 1, 2, 3. Then you know you play on the third fret. So those numbers, they represent number of frets, and the lines represent the strings. So first thing, when you hold the guitar tablature, you must not get confused, with the numbers and the lines. Let's just use this one for an example. This one is 6 lines. The first one here, where is it? Okay, the first one here representing the high E string. The second one representing the B string. It goes like that. So you can see here, we count our numbers from left to right. So you can see there is the 0 on number 5, string number 5. So on your guitar, you go on string number 5, then you play an open string number 5. Then your second note, there's 2 on the 4th string. Then you count your frets 1, 2 on the second fret. That's where you play the note. So guitar tablatures are very easy to use. Okay, now we're going to show now. Okay, kana munhu kushandisa guitar tabs are easy kushandisa. Toya panapa yakanzi part 1. From left kwedu kuno pakanzi 1 2 3 4 5 6 ma strings, from the high E string kubva ku high E string kusvika ku string yechi 6 yakakora yekumusoro. So takatarisa guitar table riri panapa iri, number 3 ndiyari pekutanga. So tinokaunda 1 2 3 pagitari, toridza note number 3. Pa string number 2 apo pana 1, tinoridza pa number 1. Chingoenda zvakadaro. Guitar tabs anobatsira strike kana munhu uchiri kutanga gitari, uye zvinyange wa professional, because muchida kutranslaterana zvamuri kuridza, nanoona exactly pawaita sei paunonge waridza. Okay, atenda. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.